Exploring the Primary Color Wheel, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language and art combined: the primary color wheel. This concept is not just about colors. It's about understanding how colors interact, their significance, and their application in everyday life. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or just curious, mastering the primary color wheel can add a vibrant layer to your knowledge and skills. Let's get started. The primary color wheel is a visual representation of colors arranged in a circle. It showcases the relationships between primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. These colors are called primary because they cannot be created by mixing other colors together. Instead, they serve as the foundation for creating a wide spectrum of other colors. When you mix these primary colors in different ways, you can create secondary and tertiary colors, expanding the palette available for artists, designers, and anyone interested in color theory. Primary colors hold a unique place in both art and color theory because of their role as the building blocks for all other colors. Understanding how these colors interact is crucial for anyone involved in visual arts, design, or even fashion. By mixing primary colors, you can achieve secondary colors like green, orange, and purple. This knowledge is not just practical. It's also a way to enhance creativity and expressiveness through color. Using the primary color wheel effectively involves understanding a few key concepts. 1. Color mixing. Combining primary colors in different ratios can yield a vast array of secondary and tertiary colors. For instance, mixing red and yellow makes orange, blending blue and yellow creates green, and combining red and blue results in purple. 2. Color harmony. Harmony is achieved when colors together create a pleasing or coherent composition. The color wheel can guide you in selecting colors that complement each other well. 3. Color contrast. Contrasting colors, often found on opposite sides of the color wheel, can make designs pop and draw attention to specific elements. The primary color wheel isn't just a theoretical concept. It has practical applications in art, design, fashion, and even interior decorating. Artists use it to choose palettes that convey specific moods or themes. Designers rely on it to create visuals that are visually appealing and effective in communicating messages. In fashion, it helps in selecting outfits that are vibrant and cohesive. For interior decorators, the color wheel aids in designing spaces that are inviting and harmonious. Understanding the primary color wheel is a fundamental step for anyone interested in exploring the world of colors and their applications. It's a tool that fosters creativity, enhances visual projects, and even influences our perception of the world around us. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and use of the primary color wheel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Remember, the world is colorful. Explore it, understand it, and create with it.